If you want your Mac screen to look cleaner, you can actually hide the entire top menu bar. It's perfect for full screen work, minimal setups, or if you are recording video like me and you don't want to see this top bar. So I'm going to show you how to disable it or how to hide it. So the first way, we want to go to System Settings on our Mac and we want to find the menu bar. So on the left side, find menu bar, and from here you can customize it however you want. So the main thing what I want to show you is you can automatically hide and show the menu bar if is it full screen only, never, on, desktop only, always. So if I click on always, you can see the top bar is hidden right now and you can see it. Then you can choose, let's say, in full screen only. So let's say you have some full screen application, so then it's going to be hidden. Or you can keep it on desktop only or never. Okay, so this is how you can hide it. And you can also customize the background. So if you enable this, this is going to create this background on your top bar. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.